Glutamine. It's one of the most abundant amino acids in the body, but what exactly does it do? And why might you consider adding it to your supplement regimen? Let's demystify glutamine together. Hi everyone! Today, we're diving deep into glutamine, breaking down what it is, why it's essential, and how you can effectively use it for your health and fitness goals. Glutamine is a critical building block of protein and plays a vital role in our body. Naturally produced by our muscles, it's found in various foods and available as a supplement. Why is glutamine so important? It's key for protein synthesis and helps maintain the integrity of our gut lining, acting as a primary fuel source for intestinal cells. Plus, it supports our immune system, especially during times of stress or illness. For those who train hard, glutamine can be a game changer. It helps repair and build muscle tissue and reduces recovery time, making it a favorite among athletes. But glutamine is not just for athletes. Even if you're not hitting the gym hard, glutamine has plenty to offer. It plays a crucial role in gut health, helping to maintain the integrity of the intestinal lining, which is essential for proper nutrient absorption and immune defense. Moreover, glutamine supports your immune system by providing fuel for white blood cells and certain intestinal cells. It can be particularly beneficial during times when your body is fighting off an illness or managing chronic stress, which can deplete glutamine levels. So, how should you use glutamine? It's typically taken in powder form, with a recommended dose of around 5 grams per day, often after workouts or before bed, to help with recovery and immune support. While glutamine is generally safe, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. That's glutamine in a nutshell. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance recovery or just someone interested in supporting your overall health, glutamine might be worth considering. For more tips on how to boost your health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. See you next time.